On August 24, 2019, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was awarded the UAE's highest civilian honor, the Order of Zayed, recognizing significant contributions and collaboration with the UAE. Named after Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the UAE's first president, this honor celebrates key partnership. India and the UAE share strong economic, trade and cultural ties, with the UAE being India's fourth largest crude oil exporter. Their relation continues to grow in trade, investment, energy and cultural exchanges. Shivaram Hari Rajguru, born on August 24, 1908, was an Indian freedom fighter known for his role in the assassination of British officer John Saunders. A member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, Rajguru participated in the Kakori train robbery of 1925 with Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan to fund their cause. In 1928, he, Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev Thapar killed Saunders in retaliation for the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, who had been attacked by the police during a protest against the Simon Commission. Rajguru was arrested in 1929 and along with Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev Thapar, he sacrificed his life for the Mother Nation on March 23, 1931. Beena Das, born on August 24, 1911 in Krishnanagar, West Bengal, was a notable revolutionary and freedom fighter. She was linked with Punya Shram Sanstha, which not only sheltered destitute women but also manufactured bombs and weapons for revolutionaries. Das actively collaborated with the Yuktar Dal Revolutionary Organization. On February 6, 1932, she attempted to assassinate Bengal Governor Stanley Jackson at a Calcutta University convocation but failed. Subsequently, she was arrested and sentenced to 9 years of rigorous imprisonment. Beena Das passed away on December 26, 1986. On August 24, 1608, the East India Company's first ship, Hector, arrived at Surat coast of India, marking the company's entry into the country. The ship's captain, Hawkins, met with the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, but the East India Company faced challenges as the Portuguese were already established in Surat and the company did not initially receive permission for trade. Sir Thomas Roe arrived in India in year 1615, bringing valuable gifts to Jahangir, which eventually secured the company's trading rights. By 1646, the East India Company had rapidly expanded, establishing 23 factories across India. On August 24, 1968, France conducted its first hydrogen bomb test on Fangatofa Island. The 3-ton bomb was dropped from a hydrogen balloon at 520 meters and released 2.6 megatons of energy, about 200 times more powerful than Hiroshima bomb. The explosion contaminated the island with radioactive materials, making it uninhabitable for 6 years. This test established France as the fifth nation with thermonuclear capability. France had previously tested a nuclear bomb in February 1960 and through Operation Canopus developed the hydrogen bomb using tritium obtained from Norway and America. The bomb, completed in 1964, was finally tested in 1968.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 24, 2006, Pluto was reclassified and excluded from the list of solar system planets by the International Astronomical Union. The IAU introduced a new criteria for defining a planet. It must orbit the Sun, be spherical due to its gravity, and have its own orbit. Pluto failed to meet the third criterion and was thus removed from the list of planets. On August 24, 1995, Microsoft released Windows 95, introducing several new features. It was the first operating system to include the Start button, menu, and taskbar, which remain a part of Microsoft's OS design. Another significant feature was Plug and Play, which allowed the operating system to automatically recognize and install hardware. The Windows 95 desktop also featured a special MSN app icon. The operating system was a major success, selling over 7 million copies in just 5 weeks.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.